The Wallawwa. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at the Wallawwa. The Wallawwa is a restored colonial manor house siting on 3 acres of beautiful landscaped grounds, only a 15-minute drive from Bandaranaike International Airport. This peaceful retreat features an outdoor pool, a pampering spa and yoga pavilions. On request they opened restaurant early for us to have dinner. Staff were really friendly. They gave us a breakfast bag as we were leaving early. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Wonderful staff, GRT colonial property with beautiful garden. Beautiful colonial property and idyllic setting. Great breakfast and charming stuff. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.